Hello and welcome. Let's take a look at the tools and outputs of the Review and Update Scrum Guidance Body process. Let's begin with the tools. The first tool is Member Selection Criteria. Member selection criteria are created to define the Scrum Guidance Body members, their roles and responsibilities, the number of members, and their required skills and expertise. Each organization can have its own selection criteria for Scrum Guidance Body members. However, it is recommended that every member has Scrum expertise and can contribute effectively to the Scrum Guidance Body. Next is Scrum Guidance Body meetings. The Scrum Guidance Body meets regularly to discuss the potential need for an update of the Scrum Guidance Body recommendations. For example, suggests improvements from retrospectives and other processes, update regulations that need to be incorporated into the documentation, etc. The frequency of these meetings is decided by the Scrum Guidance Body based on the specific needs of the enterprise. Another tool is performance reports. There may be reports available about the performance of Scrum projects, programs, and portfolios. Such performance reports might include information related to team velocity, delivered functionality, completion status, and so on. This information can be considered by the Scrum Guidance Body when determining improvement opportunities. Benchmarking is the last tool we will discuss. Benchmarking is the process of comparing an organization's business processes and performance metrics to those of leading companies in the same or other industries. An enterprise should regularly benchmark its own practices against those of successful organizations in order to keep up with the competition and against current and upcoming industry standards and practices. Now let us go through the outputs of the Review and Update Scrum Guidance Body. Updated Scrum Guidance Body recommendations is the first output. After reviewing and considering the Scrum Guidance Body improvement suggestions, performance reports, and benchmarking data, changes may be necessary to the existing documentation. Any approved changes will lead to an update of the Scrum Guidance Body material and will be provided as recommendations to the current or future Scrum projects, programs, and portfolios. Next output is actionable escalations. The Scrum Guidance Body may determine that some company policies do not allow teams to obtain the maximum benefits from the application of Scrum. In such cases, an escalation should be triggered in order to gain approval for a policy or other change. Updated Scrum Guidance Body membership is the next output. As a result of assigning the Scrum Guidance Body membership, new members may be added and existing members may leave the Scrum Guidance Body. The last output we will discuss is rejected updates to the Scrum Guidance Body recommendations. Recommended Scrum Guidance Body improvements may not always be accepted. If a recommended improvement is rejected by the Scrum Guidance Body members, an explanation of the reason or reasons for the rejection is provided as feedback to the relevant parties. That's all for now. Thank you for learning with us.